ZAI Abend Investigator is a robust problem determination tool that helps you discover why applications fail. It helps developers investigate and fix system and application failures for COBOL, Enterprise PLI, Assembler, C++, Unix System Services, CICS, IMS, DB2 and Java. When an application ends abnormally, ZAI Abend Investigator is automatically invoked, gathering Abend time information about the event and its environment at the time of failure. After analyzing information about the application and its environment, ZAI Abend Investigator presents easy-to-digest details in a high-level problem report. The report describes the problem in terms of application code, which means that application developers and maintainers are not forced to interpret a low-level dumps or system-level error messages. As a result, the reason for the Abend is made available sooner and with less effort. Abend Time Investigation occurs when an application abends and ZAI Abend Investigator is invoked, or when developers call ZAI as part of normal program execution to assist in investigating anomalous program behavior. This initial investigation produces two artifacts: a high-level textual investigation report, a record of the data used to create the report to allow for subsequent detailed investigation. This record is known as a fault entry and is stored in a history file. Later, it is possible to view either the Abend time report or to perform a more detailed investigation using ZAI's powerful terminal-based interface. Using ZAI's interface, it is possible to supply additional information about applications to allow more meaningful reports to be generated. For example, compiler listings can be supplied after the Abend occur to augment the information displayed by ZAI. The information available to ZAI can be controlled using system or job level options to increase the effectiveness of ZAI. The ZAI Abend Investigator interface. At any time after an Abend, you can start the ZAI Abend Investigator interface to review the Abend investigation. Using this interface, you can view the stored Abend time analysis report, perform a new investigation and provide additional details to ZAI, view statistics about fault entries, see which Abends have occurred multiple times or were deemed as duplicates by ZAI, manage fault entries, including copying, moving or deleting entries. It is also possible to create history files for use with ZAI, analyze system, Java, or CICS dumps from other systems, where ZAI may not have been installed. Offline investigation. From the ZAI interface, developers can schedule background batch investigations of one or more Abends, allowing for more efficient multitasking. The batch investigation reports are written to the batch job output, allowing for easy viewing when required. The batch investigation reports have a similar look and feel to Abend time reports. Interactive investigation. If more fine-grained control is required to understand an application issue, an interactive investigation can be performed. The developer can decide exactly what information they need from the report and view some or all of it as needed. The program storage can be explored in much greater detail as part of this kind of analysis, using point and shoot hotspots. Application source files can be explored fully if desired, to better understand the flow of the application prior to Abend. For CICS system dumps, and some other dump formats, this is the only and best way to investigate the vast amount of information available. Performing CICS system Abend dump analysis. A feature unique to the interactive component of ZAI Abend Investigator is the ability to investigate information that is related to CICS system Abends. Using the ZAI interface, developers can customize the investigation parameters, choose any CICS dump or CICS auxiliary trace data set on the system for analysis, and choose where to create investigation records if desired. Performing Java analysis. A feature unique to the interactive component of ZAI Abend Investigator is the ability to present information that is related to Java. Typically, the environment is Java calling legacy programs. The Java information includes a summary of the program structure, including both Java methods and native functions in a single view, Java properties and environment variables, Java version information. The ZAI Abend Investigator report. The content and level of detail of the report can be easily customized by either system options or developer preferences. Developers can also choose to add custom content in investigations by writing plugins for ZAI, also known as user exits.